Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the review of luxurious car 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Linea d'Arabo is not just a vehicle, it's a declaration of power, elegance, and artistry crafted for those who demand perfection. In every detail, the moment you lay eyes on this ultra-luxury SUV, you understand that it's in a league of its own. From its imposing front grille, inspired by classical Rolls-Royce DNA, to the subtle touches that honor Arabian heritage, the Linea d'Arabo stands as a bold expression of sophistication and exclusivity. The signature Pantheon grille, finished with darkened chrome and intricate Arabic geometric accents, sets a majestic tone, while the spirit of ecstasy on the hood gleams with presence. The body is sculpted with absolute precision, featuring a deep bespoke paint finish that draws inspiration from the warm sands and golden twilight of the Arabian desert. The massive 22-inch wheels, with custom detailing and a polished finish, further complement the vehicle's dominant stance. Opening the coach-style doors reveals an interior that's nothing short of breathtaking. Inside the Linea d'Arabo, you're greeted by an atmosphere of serene opulence. The cabin is wrapped in the finest leather, hand-stitched with Arabic calligraphy motifs, and accented with real gold inlays and rare wood veneers. The headliner showcases a starlight sky specially designed to mirror the constellations over the Middle East on the night of its unveiling. Each seat is individually contoured for maximum comfort, and the rear compartment offers a first-class experience with massage functionality, reclining capability, and even a champagne cooler with custom crystal flutes. Every element of the cabin, from the air vents to the buttons and knobs, has been refined to an artistic level of detail that only Rolls-Royce can achieve. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Cullinan Linea d'Arabo remains as formidable as it is refined. Under the hood lies a mighty 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine that delivers a seamless 563 horsepower. The acceleration is whisper-quiet yet commanding, taking this 6,000-pound SUV from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. Whether you're gliding through the city or cruising across the desert, the ride remains buttery smooth thanks to Rolls-Royce's cutting-edge self-leveling air suspension and satellite-aided transmission. The handling is remarkably agile for a vehicle of this size, giving the driver a sense of control and confidence while preserving the iconic magic carpet ride. Despite its luxurious nature, it retains the capacity to handle light off-road challenges, making it as versatile as it is lavish. As for the price, exclusivity doesn't come cheap. The base price for the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Linea d'Arabo starts at around $425,000, but with bespoke features and custom options, it can easily surpass the $500,000 mark. This model is crafted for a select few and will be produced in extremely limited numbers, reinforcing its rarity and prestige. In conclusion, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Linea d'Arabo is not just a luxury SUV, it's a cultural masterpiece on wheels. It fuses timeless British craftsmanship with rich Arabian inspiration, offering an experience that transcends traditional automotive luxury. This is more than transportation, this is royalty in motion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below.